Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall expecting their fourth child together. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So Jamaican entertainment couple Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin are expecting their fourth child together. Many people have begun to speculate whether or not it would be another boy. So many of their fans as well are hoping that it might be a girl on this occasion. But as news continue to spread, a number of their fans have took to social media just in order to congratulate the entertainment couple on this other child that is on the way. So we at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this special opportunity as well just to congratulate the couple who have been together for some time right now. And as you know, both are YouTubers right now, having a social media platform with 175,000 followers just so far. And they have been doing their thing, and I can tell you they have been garnering the hearts of many right across the world based on their pranks and what they're doing in relation to them being a family together. Tommy Chin and her husband Wayne Marshall are expecting their fourth child together. The couple shared the exciting news on their popular YouTube channel, Meet the Mitchells, on Friday. "I cannot believe this, thank God," Tommy Chin said, while showing off her positive test on camera. Later in the day, she revealed the news to her husband of 12 years on a card that read, "Someone special is coming in June 2022. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. My husband goes when he's sleeping. I cannot believe this. Thank you, God.
I'm gonna do if you deserve this.
I'll hold it. You just open, take off the top. Sometimes you make me so emotional. They have to read the back of it.
It says, "Sometimes you make me so emotional."
He does. He's been upsetting me.
But it's not entirely your fault. I don't get it, but yeah. Someone special is coming in June 22. Tami. Tami, this is like some weird prank. Oh my God. Tami, what?
I can't stop laughing.
Tami, no. Are you serious? You took a pregnancy test and never told me? Tami, stop it right now, Tami.
And I did it, and I went, I brushed my teeth, washed my face. I was walking out the bathroom because I forgot that I even took it. It's like 5:30 in the morning. And I was like, oh yeah, let me go and check. I nearly dropped down.
Tami.
Wayne, I can't even believe it.
Tami, I am shocked right now.
Did you know what I was giving you? Tell the truth.
Tami, I had no idea. Remember you tell me say you buy me things, you know?
Yes.
You tell me say you have a shirt for me, but I'm just
even
like...
earlier I was like, yo, we're gonna go have a drink later. Like I just tried to get you out of anything in case, because I'm always kind of. I know. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Yes. Tommy Chin explained that the video was recorded some months ago as they wanted to ensure that the baby was okay before sharing the good news with their 175,000 subscribers on the video sharing platform YouTube. So the couple is a parent to 3 boys already, with the youngest born in 2019. They often expressed their hope for a daughter, but in a subsequent Instagram post where she showed off her growing baby bump, Tommy Chin said that they are yet to find out the gender. So this is good news for the power couple and entertainment couple, and also YouTubers as well, as they continue to garner the hearts of fans right across the world. As you know, the two have been married for 12 years and they shared 3 boys together already, which is a really good look for the couple. And we just want to wish them the best and continue to support them, the viewers right across the world. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to congratulate Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin once more on this announcement that was made on their social media platform. So this is where we're going to wrap this up for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.